एक कुर्ता सेट भी लेके जा रही हूँ.
I think I'm literally adding everything.
These are some of the earrings. Take out my tag. Here my sister is also packing her stuff.
Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's me Nikki. Hope you guys are doing good. I'm also perfectly fine. So as mentioned in the caption, I am doing my packing because this is a sudden trip to Delhi. It was just planned yesterday and like I'm just in a hurry. I don't know what to do and what not to do. It's about to be 11 a.m. and we will be leaving at around 2 or 3, so I have to hurry up. Let's get started. मैं ज़्यादा कपड़े लेके नहीं जाने वाली because ये सिर्फ 2-3 दिन का ट्रिप है, so I'll just keep it as minimum as possible. मैं सोचती हूँ कि मैं कम लेके जाऊँगी लेकिन हमेशा ज़्यादा हो जाता है. So I'm just using this bag from Puma which I ordered from Nykaa and I got it in a reasonable price. And पता नहीं if this bag will be sufficient or not, but since it's handy, it's cute and also it's small, so that is the reason I decided to go on with this. मुझे trolley लेने का मन नहीं है. So let's see if my clothes fit in this or not.
Here are some of the clothes that I selected and देखते हैं इसके अंदर fit आता है कि नहीं, because it's not just the clothes but also other things that I need to add. So let's see. मैंने कल रात ही कपड़े decide करके रख लिए थे because I know that I will be freaking out at the last moment. मैं एक कुर्ता सेट भी लेके जा रही हूँ because I will be needing this. I don't know if this is the right way to do it. I think I'll have to adjust it properly. हाँ है कुछ cosmetics and skincare products which I will be needing, लेकिन I'll have to filter out some stuffs from here क्योंकि इतना ज़्यादा मैं लेकर नहीं जा सकती.
Starting off with the most important ones, that is a body mist. I'll have to take this क्योंकि it's गर्मी in Delhi. आपको भी पता है कितना गर्मी रहता है. So body mist is very important. Secondly, my hair serum. Actually ये बहुत बड़ा हो गया है लेकिन I'll have to take this because I have a frizzy hair, तो मुझे लेना पड़ेगा. As you guys know that I'm not a foundation person. I am a blush person, तो blush लेके जाऊँगी. I'm going to take this 2 blushes because it's just small, so not an issue actually. My skincare products, definitely. These are some of the important ones. Concealer, eyelash curler. These are just small stuffs like brushes, 3 brushes. I'm not taking any eyeshadow and stuffs like that, but because I don't use it on normal days, so I'll just keep this with me. This is a lotion. This from Avon, Imari Seduction. Smells really great. I need to take this. Some lipsticks because my sister will also be using it, and one small foundation from MAC. Maybe we'll be needing it. So yes, these are the stuffs, and a setting spray. I think I'm literally adding everything. And mascara. Mascara is important, right? Then comes my eyebrows banane wala. A lip balm, which I'll keep it in my bag, like small one. Cotton wipes. I mean, it's just a dry one which I bought from India, so I'll be taking a few of it. And I'll be keeping my stuffs here. I have this goggles ka bag because I'll have to use this. Like goggles is very important. Lekin pata nahi, I have lost a lot of it. I'll have to search now kyunki I have misplaced it here and there. And of course, not forgetting the sunscreen. And I'm using this Aqualogica this time because it's dewy and it doesn't leave any white cast. So ye leke jaungi main.
Here I have the bag. So सबसे पहले I'm gonna start off with the small ones. Mascara, concealer. This is a gloss. These things I'll just try to fit in somewhere. This one भी separate ही जाएगा, ये भी separately I'll keep. So I think it has just fit here, and I'll have to take a beauty blender also. This has become dirty. I need to wash. I'm gonna take this small one. These are from Faces Canada and it's good. ठीक है. But I'll have to keep this separate. I'll just have to wrap it somewhere क्योंकि यहाँ मुझे लगता है dirt लग जाएगा इसमें. I'll just keep it separate. So yeah, I think this is enough. My bag is stuffed.
And most importantly, my sanitizer. ये तो लेके जाऊंगी and it's very handy, so I can take it. And also hand wash. I have just used once or twice. I use it while traveling, so I'll take this also. This is my earring ka bag. Here I have lots of earrings.
These are some of the earrings that I'm taking with me, and since this bag is cute and handy, मैं सब इसमें ही डालने वाली हूँ, and I hope that it will not occupy much space.
This is my cute sa bag which I'm going to carry. I'll have to keep some things here. I think it's quite spacious and also small. तो मैं देखती हूँ यहाँ क्या क्या डालना होता है. My gastric का medicine, which is very important. And as I mentioned, I'm going to keep this wipes in this bag itself. So I have few of it. I'm just going to keep it here. इसमें छोटू सा एक स्पेस है अंदर की तरफ. I'll keep here itself. And yes, these sanitizer, spray and gloss all यहाँ इसके अंदर ही जाएगा. But I don't want to make it look too puffy. I think that it's not puffy actually.
So getting ready with her stuff, and here I am doing my things like it's all messy out here.
So for the shoes, I'm going to take Jordan, and this one I'm just going to wear क्योंकि ये ज़्यादा बड़ा है. This is from Puma, which I bought from Myntra, and I really love it. It's one of my favorite shoes in my collection, and ये मैं पैक करूँगी because it's small. Here it is. मैंने कुछ इस तरीके से पैक किया so that you know dirt वगैरह ना लग जाए बैग के अंदर. I'll try to fit this in क्योंकि मेरा बैग already भर चुका है. Let's see if it fits here or else I have to transfer it there.
जूता तो इसमें इसके अंदर चला गया, and yes, remaining these stuffs I'm just gonna keep here. Let's see. Yes, ये भर चुका. Oh God, I didn't even take out my tag क्योंकि ये सारा का सारा fit हो गया है. Here my sister is also packing her stuffs. ये देख सकते हो कितनी एक्साइटेड है वो. थोड़ा सा स्माइल करके दिखा दो यहाँ पर. ये दोनों ज़्यादा बड़ा ट्रॉली लेके जा रहे हैं बिकॉज मे बी दे हैव प्लान समथिंग एक्स्ट्रा और कुछ खरीदने वाले हैं दिल्ली से मे बी.
So my bag is already packed, and since ये 2-3 दिन का trip है, so it didn't take much time for me to pack, and it's the first time क्योंकि कल रात ही मैंने सब select कर लिया था, and I just hope that this trip is going to be fun. I am going to see my uncle after such a long time, I haven't seen him for almost 7 to 8 months. So yes, I'm pretty excited about it, and I hope that this trip will create memories. And ये trip suddenly इसीलिए बना because my sister and Jiju are going to celebrate their anniversary, first year anniversary, and I am really looking forward kaisa hoga and how it's going to turn up. Please be with me guys, and I will be showing you everything, like how things go and everything in total. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and it's already 12. I haven't had my breakfast. I'll have my breakfast, I'll get dressed up, and then we'll leave. So please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.